Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to talk about new platforms. So friends, today I am going to share you detail about our new project. So friends, if you are new on my YouTube channel, first of all you need to subscribe my YouTube channel, click on all button so when I upload my next video you get the notification. So don't forget to like the video and watch till end. Don't skip any of part from this video. So let's go to our project. So guys, here is our project truepoint.io. Link will be provided in description. You will get in my video description. So leading the web3 revolutions in marketing and community engagement. So experience the next evolutions in marketing where real engagement is rewarded, transparency guaranteed, and communities shape the future advertising. So, the True Point redefine the connection between the brands and audience powered by the blockchain, transparency, and global community. We deliver authentic and engagement that transform marketing into the reward experience for all. So, here is the details. So first of all, what we need to do. So click on get started and you guys see what is their True Point. So True Point is awarded based platform. So and that turns your attention into the real value. User get rewarded for the watching ad, engaging and the content and stay active on the platform. How it work? Watch ad or content. Users see ads just like they do every day. So every point for every second, watch every actions taken. User earn trio points, level up up more engage. The more perks and exclusive rewards you unlock. So redeem rewards. Point can redeem for the digital assets, discount, loyalty perks, and for or even crypto depending on the campaign model. So you can see everything. You can register your account from here. So here is the ad and everything. So about the True Point, I have already tell you about the True Point. At the True Point, we reward information from the untouched clarity at Antarctica, a place where purity and extra transparency regime in today covered and gothic advertising world where consumers are constantly bombarded and noise. So our blockchain powered platform introduce our revolutionary way of our user to interact with the brands. So why blockchain matters at the True Point? So it's main their points. So you everyone need to understand this point. At the True Point, true transparency are not optional; they are built in. So here is what blockchain enables at a True Point. That is why every interaction on our platform, from viewing on an ad to tracking engagement, is powered by the blockchain technology. With the blockchain at the core, True Point ensure fair rewards for user and honest results for brands. It is not just innovation, it is accountability. So verified the engagement protect against fraud and transparency for all. So why True Point? Because marketing should be fun, memorable and chill. So verified the engagement, instant rewards, you can see and detail. So gamified viewing are also available. So community driven, every rewards collect NFT and level up your profile within the growing ecosystem. True ownership is, you can see with the NFT, true you truly own your engagement and gain real value from your attention. So how it work? So first of all, you need to understand option one. Option in, decide when you how you prefer to watch short video ads during your spare moments, whether the community relaxing at home or waiting in line. So engage each advertisement you view in securely verified and transparent tracking using advanced blockchain, smart contract, and technology. Get rewarded instantly with valuable benefits from exclusive digital assets to real world financial gain with no intermediaries involved. Our community, the heartbeat of True Point, engagement of by choice, voice by feedback, voice and feedback, and advocacy and loyalty, empowered ownership and global and exclusive. So how NFT enable loyalty and access in the True Point? So at the True Point, NFT are not just digital assets; they are just They are your identity access pass and loyal badge. Each user platform hold unique NFT, reflect their level, participate, contribution, trust within the power. So interact the advertisement, blockchain transparency, and brand benefits. Why brand is loyal, so verified reach to engage audience, actionable blockchain backed analysis, higher retention and loyalty, reputation for the innovation and transparency. Our roadmap: collect, grow, unlock special parts. So stage 1, you can see there, about their roadmap. Stage 3, stage 4 also available. Stage 1 is, you can see, stage 5 is also available. So user benefits: here is control over the engagement, direct reward of attention, gamified, enjoyable ad experience, membership in global movement. So FAQ, you can see, have you any kind of question, you can ask them. Who can join TruePoint, and how TruePoint different from the traditional advertisement platform? So you guys have need to answer. So here is our answer, you can see. So guys, this is our video. I hope you guys like the video, and also you are someone who spend the time online, watch videos, scrolling through ads. TruePoint let you turn that time into reward. Join now and make your attention count.